talk shit for the hell of it. I don't got time for the games. Since 22, I've been killing shit. How did I not catch a case? I don't got a drop for the relevance. Brook, but I rap like a veteran. Knock on the door, better let him in. Look around the room, who the elephant? Got the same print on my Jumpman 3s. True blue OGs. The fake ones look like yours. The real ones look like these. Used to be 2 for the word, but now I gotta double my cheese. So now it's like 4 for the verse. I'm sorry, gotta cover my fees. Don't talk to me, I don't know you. Don't fuck with me, I thought I told you. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. No, don't talk to me like that. If you don't start no shit, won't be no shit. Got some motherfuckers who acting childish on some old Gambino shit. They can't fuck with me, no shit. They know I reload quick. Dropping that clip like Stilo Brim. Going out like Pacino did. This not no gun talking, no gun talking. I'm throwing shots with my verbal, but be careful though, I might burn you. Got Inferno all in my journal. Every night I get that high when I'm up till 5, but I'm not nocturnal. Off that purple, it's not that herbal. Off that white, but it's not by Virgil, yeah. Whoa, just leave me V-lone. Just leave me V-lone, yeah. Whoa, I fear God, that's all. I fear God, that's all, yeah. Whoa, act like we don't know that your ego low. That's why he go broke. Can't believe you spent that on Supreme logo. I don't got a problem with a hype beast. I'm just saying it's unlikely that you find me spending $500 for the Gucci logo on a white tee. It's like, oh, I hope that they like me. All for the flex on IG. Every year when a new retro drop, they will kill a young man that's 19 or leave a motherfucker with an IV just to get the new X size. All for the name brand textiles, getting X styled over next styles. That's fucked up. Right? 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 Shut up. Don't talk to me, I don't know you. Don't fuck with me, I thought I told you.